Okay.
Go start.
It's on.
Hi guys, we're back.
Yeah!
I'm powerful.
That was so funny! Oh my god! You stood up, Brittany! Ready? Ready? Mental pregnant.
Katie's not yet. Move. I have to see how much I trust you. Hold on. I think it's my belly. I think it's my belly. Hold on. Hold on. Let's go.
Okay. Okay.
I'm pregnant and I'm going to fall off storm building on the earth. See if she catches me. I'm pregnant.
Don't laugh.
Monkey.
Look at them like, ah!
That's how you're scared. You're scared.
That scared me.
For today's show, we're going to go a little bananas today. Just because I'm bored. So, kiss me. And now what are we going to do now? You choose. You want to read a book? No. That's so
I think we need some music.
We can.
Do some random dancing, guys. Yeah, totally cool. That's that.
Wait. That's not how you do it. This is how you do it.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. Right? See? Whoa! I did.
Button like me.
Hey. Ow! Yeah. Woo! I'm done with that. I don't want to play with my belly anymore. I'm going to go upside down. Katie, twist the spoon. I'm upside down. Now I'm upside down. Now I'm upside down. Turn it back up.
Oh my god.
Put it back to vision. Now, I'm going to tell you guys something personal. This is my best friend. Noah. She's awesome. Noelle, I call her. Here you go. Hey. And I'm going to go do a backflip off. I think I'm going to do her lipstick right now.
No.
First, I'm going to make her cheeks all red with it. I'm going to give her a complete makeover. Sit down.
Oh my god.
Come watch her get a makeover. First, I'm going to use my favorite lipstick for her rosy red cheeks.
Oh my god.
You can hold for a little bit, Brittany, because when we come back to the viewers, they have to be on. Oh, doesn't she look adorable like that?
Oh, she got rosy cheeks.
I love you.
I just love it. I love you.
Not you. The viewers. Duh.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh my god.
I brought some makeup kit.
Yeah, I really don't love you. You can be covered in makeup.
Uh-oh. Oh, she's doing it.
I'm going to make her sneeze.
Yeah.
I'm going to make the candy for some things too. Now I'm done with the makeup because she's had enough. I know her. She will be really sad today. Don't you like her cheeks?
Yeah, they're rosy and cheeky.
Now, we're going to blow bubbles.
What?
Oh, bubbles! Right there, Abby. I think she like... Now.
I hope I don't catch one in my mouth.
Yeah.
That'd be funny.
Ready?
That was weird.
Oh.
Hey!
What? Cupcake speak. So she's going to entertain you while I go get the cupcake. So entertain them with funny like I did.
Do some random dancing. Some random dancing. What's gonna happen?
So let's see.
It's just random dancing. And twists and turns.
And then you want me to do, you want to do it again?
Oh yeah.
Oh, watch this. See, I told you I can do it better than Ashley can.
Oh yeah. Go girl. Go girl.
Go.
Oh, you fell.
What's up?
What's that ground?
Oh, no, what's up is the white ceiling. She's going to be beautiful.
Here's Ashley.
The bed slayer.
Pepperoni stick.
That hurt.
Oh, you thought you were gonna get hit, huh? Thought you were gonna get hit. You're not getting hit. You're on a computer.
Oh my god.
Oh.
You dork.
What?
Yes, I am crazy.
No, whoever said I was talking about you. Jeez, there's a whole lot of other people.
Now, what do you guys think we should do out there?
I think your battery's low.
What do you guys think we should do? What do you guys think we should do?
I think we should... I have chocolate on my sock.
Come zoom in on her chocolate on
Chocolate.
I have chocolate on my sock.
Do you love chocolate?
Look at my
You
nightgown.
love chocolate, huh?
Look at my nightgown. Look at
Oh.
Oh,
No,
oh,
you're
yeah. Sexy.
Look at my belly.
You say that about hers, but you don't say it about mine? What the heck?
Sexy.
Yours is sexy too,
Let's get
yeah.
up on Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell, I believe in fairies.
Wow.
Look at mine.
Really?
Kitty believes in fairies.
Yes, I do.
Look at it. Bob Marley is awesome. You know what? I have to say something about Bob Marley right now. Don't worry. I'll be happy. Don't